the essential secret to keeping your plants healthy in summer. Hello to all plant lovers. Today we want to dive into one of the most important secrets and tips for taking care of your plants during the summer. Summer, with all its beauty, also brings challenges for plant care. So join us as we uncover this essential secret together. Adjusting sunlight. One of the most important aspects to consider when taking care of plants during the warm seasons, such as summer, is adjusting sunlight. As you know, plants need appropriate and natural light, like sunlight, to grow well. However, before determining the amount of light they need, you should consider the location and type of your plants. For example, indoor plants should not be exposed to direct sunlight at all, as it can cause them to wilt quickly. To take care of indoor plants in the summer, it is recommended to use sheer curtains or, if possible, change the location of the plants to keep them away from direct sunlight. Additionally, if you live in an apartment and typically don't have enough light for indoor plants, proper watering. Another essential principle for plant care during the summer is proper watering. If you want your plants to stay fresh and healthy, you need to water them thoroughly twice a day during the warm seasons. It's important to water your plants in the morning and evening during hot days. However, keep in mind that some plants, like the snake plant Sansevieria, are resistant to drought, and overwatering can cause root rot. Many people may wonder why it is necessary to water plants in the evening. The answer is that during the evening, water penetrates the soil more effectively, allowing it to reach the roots better and revitalize the plants. This consideration is also crucial for seasonal plants. Regulating the environment's temperature. Extreme heat or cold can destroy plants and strip them of their vitality. Therefore, it is recommended to constantly monitor and maintain the optimal temperature for your plants. If you are taking care of indoor plants, the ideal temperature range is between 10 to 40 degrees Celsius. Adjusting plant humidity. As you know, the care methods for different plants vary, and everyone should consider this before purchasing their desired plant. Some plants prefer higher humidity levels than others and need to consistently receive adequate moisture. To provide the necessary humidity for your plants in the summer, you can take a moderately deep dish, fill it halfway with pebbles, and add water to the dish. Place your plant on the pebbles, allowing it to absorb the required moisture. It is sometimes observed that people avoid putting pebbles in the dish, which is a mistake. The pebbles prevent excess water from soaking into the pot and causing root rot. For example, the aglaomama plant is sensitive to humidity levels, and this method helps regulate its moisture effectively. Using fertilizers in adequate amounts. We all know that plants are living beings on Earth and need fertilizers and proper nutrients to thrive. One of the best seasons for fertilizing plants and indoor flowers is summer. Some people may not understand why, so let's clarify. Most plants grow actively in the summer and need suitable fertilizers for this process. However, be aware that if you have recently repotted your plant in the summer, you should avoid fertilizing it, as this can cause multiple problems. You can fertilize your plants every 2 to 4 weeks, but be careful not to over-fertilize them. If you are unsure what type of fertilizer to use for your indoor plants, know that an indoor plant booster fertilizer is highly suitable. You can consider purchasing this type. Also, in the article on the types of fertilizers for plants, there is a complete explanation of different fertilizers, which you can read to gain useful information. Avoid repotting. One important tip for the warm seasons like summer is to avoid repotting ceramic pots. This can make the leaves of the plants very vulnerable and lose their initial resistance, eventually leading to plant decay. In other words, repotting in the summer can cause significant shock to the plant. Preventing plant burns. The last tip we want to share is to prevent plant burns in the summer. The sunlight can be very strong during the warm seasons and can damage the plants. Therefore, please avoid spraying water on the leaves of the plants during hot days, as this can intensify the sunlight's effect, causing leaf burn. If done repeatedly, this will certainly create holes in the leaves and eventually kill the plant. Choosing the right soil. Depending on your plant type, choose the appropriate soil. Using unsuitable soil can lead to plant death. Final words. As you have seen, to keep your plants vibrant and healthy in the summer, you need to follow various principles and methods, some of which we have thoroughly explained. We hope that by reading the above information, you can clear up any questions or uncertainties and effectively protect your plants during the hot and exhausting days of the year. By following these tips, you can enjoy your flowers and plants even in the summer and keep them healthy and vibrant. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to share them with us in the comments section. Don't forget to share this video and let your friends enjoy the joy of summer plant care as well. Until the next video, take good care of your plants and have wonderful days ahead.